Welcome back to one more useful and interesting video. In this video, I am going to talk about eKalyan Bihar portal, a dedicated online scholarship portal for students of Bihar. Now let's begin our video. eKalyan Bihar portal is a dedicated online portal of the government of Bihar that enlists all relevant information related to various schemes, including scholarship, offered by different government departments. The citizen of Bihar can find significant information regarding scheme implemented by the Department of Social Welfare, Department of Education, Election Commission, Department of Scheduled Caste and Scheduled Tribe Welfare, Backward Classes and Extremely Backward Classes Welfare Department, Department of Minority Welfare and others on this portal. In this video, you will know which scholarship scheme are listed on eKalyan Bihar portal, who can apply for this scholarship, how can a student apply for this scholarship available on this portal, what is the amount of assistance offered under this scholarship, and other details. eKalyan Bihar portal overview. Name of the portal eKalyan Bihar. Official website www.ekalyan.bih.nic.in. Department listed: Department of Social Welfare, Department of Education, Election Commission, Department of Scheduled Caste and Scheduled Tribe Welfare, Backward Class and Extremely Backward Class Welfare Department, Department of Minority Welfare, Department of Labor Resources, Bihar Development and Housing Department, Disaster Management Department, Bihar State AIDS Control Society, State Health Committee, Department of Rural Development. स्कॉलरशिप स्कीम्स: मुख्यमंत्री कन्या उत्थान योजना फॉर क्लास 10+2 गर्ल्स, मुख्यमंत्री कन्या उत्थान योजना फॉर ग्रेजुएट स्टूडेंट्स. एप्लीकेशन टाइमलाइन नॉट स्पेसिफाइड. eKalyan Bihar portal list of scholarships. While most of the Bihar government scholarship are available on National Scholarship Portal, the eKalyan Bihar portal enlists two major scholarship offered by the Department of Education. This scholarship include Mukhyamantri Kanya Yojana for class 10+2 girl and Mukhyamantri Kanya Yojana for graduate student. The key objective behind introducing these two scholarships is to support girl students in their education and bring them into mainstream society. The table given below highlights the detail of both the scholarship. Mukhyamantri Kanya Utthana Yojana for class 10+2 girl eligibility criteria: open for unmarried girl who are resident of Bihar. They must have passed class 12 from Bihar School Examination Board. Award detail 10,000 one time. Next, Mukhyamantri Kanya Yojana for graduate student. Open for girl student who are resident of Bihar. They must have passed their graduation from a government recognized or deemed to be a university. 25,000 one time. eKalyan Bihar portal step by step application process. To apply for any scholarship on eKalyan Bihar portal, the student primarily need to register on the portal. Since the portal lists two types of Mukhyamantri Kanya Yojana, it has a separate application page for each scholarship. What steps should be followed to apply for each of these scholarship? What are the details required to be filled in scholarship? Find answer to all these questions in this video. First of all, how to apply for Mukhyamantri Kanya Yojana for class 10+2 girl. The students who wish to apply for Mukhyamantri Kanya Utthana Yojana for class 10+2 girl can follow the steps. Step 1. Visit the official website of eKalyan Bihar portal. Step 2. Click on the Mukhyamantri Kanya Yojana for class 10+2 girl. Step 3. A separate application page will open. Click on the click here to apply button. Note: the student can also track the status of their application and verify their name and account detail through this page by clicking on their respective link. Step 4. A login page will open. Log in using your class 12 board registration number and date of birth or total marks obtained in class 12th. Step 5. After a successful login, the scholarship application form will open. Step 6. Fill in all required detail and submit the application. Note: it is advisable to ascertain that each and every information entered in the application form is correct. Next, how to apply for Mukhyamantri Kanya Yojana for graduate student. To ensure a hassle-free application process for Mukhyamantri Kanya Yojana for graduate student through eKalyan Bihar portal, follow the steps given below. Step 1. Visit the official website of eKalyan Bihar portal. Step 2. Click on Mukhyamantri Kanya Yojana for graduate student. Step 3. A separate application page will open. Click on either link 1 or link 2. Step 4. The instruction manual will open. Read all the instruction carefully. Step 5. Click on Click here to register button and register. Step 6. Once registered, log in using registered user ID and password. Step 7. The application form will open. Fill in all required detail in the application. Step 8. Upload all supporting documents and submit the application. Now talking about the key documents required while filling on eKalyan Bihar portal. If you find yourself eligible for any of the scholarship listed on eKalyan Bihar portal, you need to support your application with certain document. To apply for Mukhyamantri Kanya Yojana for class 10+2 girl, the student need to upload the following document along with their application. Bank account detail. Applicant should be the account holder. Aadhaar number, mobile number for further communication. Furthermore, to apply for Mukhyamantri Kanya Yojana for graduate student, you need to upload the following document with your application on the eKalyan Bihar portal. Photograph of the applicant, signature, Aadhaar card, domicile certificate, the first page of bank passbook, graduation certificate or passing mark sheet. Some of the frequently asked questions related to eKalyan Bihar portal. What is eKalyan Bihar portal? eKalyan Bihar portal is a dedicated online portal started by the government of Bihar for the implementation of various schemes offered by its different departments. It also enlists the scholarship offered by the Department of Education. The student who find themselves eligible for this scholarship can apply for them through this portal. To apply for this scholarship, the student need to primarily register on the portal. Next, what are the schemes available on eKalyan Bihar portal? The schemes available on eKalyan Bihar portal include Mukhyamantri Kanya Yojana, Hostel Grant Scheme, Medhavriti Yojana, Vidyarthi Protsahan Yojana and many more. Next, who can apply for Mukhyamantri Kanya Yojana? The Mukhyamantri Kanya Utthana Yojana is an umbrella scheme that comprises two types of scholarship, namely Mukhyamantri Kanya Yojana for class 10+2 girl and Mukhyamantri Kanya Yojana for graduate student. Both these scholarships are meant for girl students of Bihar who have passed their class 12 and graduation final year examination. Next, what is the application deadline to apply for Mukhyamantri Kanya Yojana? The eKalyan Bihar portal is accepting application for Mukhyamantri Kanya Yojana. There is no application deadline specified for the scholarship on the portal. Next, how to check the application status of Mukhyamantri Kanya Yojana for class 12 girl? The applicants need to visit the official application page of the scholarship on eKalyan Bihar portal and click here to view application status. Enter the registration number of class 12 board and click on search to get the status of the individual application. How to check the application status of Mukhyamantri Kanya Yojana for graduate student? To check the status of your application on eKalyan Bihar portal, visit the official application page of Mukhyamantri Kanya Yojana for graduate student and click on view application status of the student. Track the status of your application by either entering your Aadhaar number or account number. Next, eKalyan Bihar portal contact details. In case you come across any query related to the eKalyan Bihar portal, its scholarship application process and more, then you can contact on the details which are showing on your screen for 10+2 girls and also for graduation students. Share this video with your friends so that they can also get benefit by this video. I hope to see you in another video. Thank you for watching this video.